All right, guys, welcome to this free data analytics, machine learning, and deep learning training. My name is Mr. Wisdom, and I'm super excited to be here today. Now, the title of this training is Free Data Analytics, Machine Learning, and Deep Learning, meaning at the end of this training, you will be able to pick a data set and analyze it, do the machine learning of it, and also do the deep learning of it. You're going to understand the difference, strategic difference between data analytics, machine learning, deep learning. Now, after which I'm going to be giving you an automated software that will make your work easier for you, because this is the adventure of AI. So we've developed a software that you don't even, after learning, please note, after learning, we're going to give you this software. It's going to make your work easy for you, meaning you just pick a data set, plug it into the system, and it will do your analysis for you. You get. Now, after doing data analytics, giving you the software, what goes next? How can you monetize it? Is the next thing. Remember, this kind of the economy, this kind of the way things are in the country now, this APC government, sorry to say, it's really making things somehow for us. So I'm going to show you how to monetize this skill, how to make money from this skill. I'm going to show you how to earn at least $1,000 to $10,000. I'm going to show you companies that hire data analysts, machine learning, and deep learning professionals in both the United States, Canada. Sorry, my screen went. Let me on it back. United States, Canada, and I'm going to be giving you my automated software. Now, for you to get the best, remember what I told you. At the end of this training, you'll be able to do data analytics, you'll be able to do machine learning, deep learning, and I'll show you places to place your CV because, oh yes, you're going to be giving you a certificate, places to place your CV and portfolio for you to get job ready. So having said that, so there's a disclaimer. Please, if you're the type that you don't believe anything online, you don't like anything online, you just come to this seminar to see what I want to tell you, if it's real or not, please kindly exit this training now. You get the point. So let's move forward. Um, Now, for you to get the best from this training, listen up. Avoid all distraction. Yes, I'm not where you are now, but you brought out time to join this training. There is for you to get the best. It's for your own good, not for my own good. For you to get the best from this training, number one, avoid all distraction. If you're on a phone, if you're in a bus, you're anywhere, you can get an earpiece. Put if you're inside your house or you're on the road, kindly get an earpiece and listen. I'm not going to take your time in this training. So avoid all distraction. Your child, anything distracting you, your boyfriend's house or your girlfriend's house, please don't let her distract you. You understand? So the next thing after you avoid all distraction, keep your phone on silent. Please don't pick calls because this is a life-changing opportunity. After this training, this presentation I'm doing now, I'll be selling it for $500. You understand? I'll be selling this course now. This presentation now I'm giving it for free for $500. You get. Okay, let me not be like I'm blabbing. Let me show you um the let me show you the software that helps you do data analytics. Let me open it. So let me open it now. I want to show you the software that helps you do data analysis. So if I go to the dashboard, we have the development is in progress. If I go to the dashboard, I come here, analytics. This software can prepare your CV, can help you find jobs. So if I pick a data set now, let me pick a data set. Please, for beginners, I will explain this stuff for you. So all I need to do, I'll just need to click on this analyze button. Boom, I'll click on it. It's taking time to analyze now. It's analyzing the data set. It's analyzing, it's taking time to analyze. Good. Now see how the data is. It has done the data preview, column analysis. He even plotted graph, line chart, scatter plot, and pie chart. Now after which it gives you decision. So this is what the company makes needs. So if you plug in I'm going to give you this software to be able to help you analyze your data. So and remember, I told you at the end of this training, if you miss this training for any reason, for any distraction, you're going to be getting, for you to get this course again, it's $500. If you reach me, it's for me to provide you this training because I'm not going to put it on YouTube. It's a private training, so don't miss out. Keep your phone on silent. It's going to be a question and answer section. Meaning I'm going to ask you question and you're obliged to answer my question. And there will be giveaway. There will be massive tons of giveaway in this course. So having said that, let's jump into the training. Now, my name is Mr. Wisdom. I'm a data analyst. I also have experience in software development in my core, and I'm a cybersecurity expert too. I know how to develop any kind of software, be it SaaS, web mobile app. I know how to do back end, front end. I've used React JS. I can do Laravel. I'm a tech bro. You can call me that. You get the point. So that's who I am, Mr. Wisdom. Um, why do you need to listen to me? Okay, like I said, my name is Mr. Wisdom, and I'm the CEO of Bytemark Institute. I've trained over 5,000 persons physically. 5,000 persons physically. If you want to see me, you can go to Google, type Bytemark Institute. Bytemark Institute. So it's loading. So Bytemark Institute Facebook. So while it's loading, let's continue our training. So before we continue our training, I'm not going to remember I said I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to introduce you to, I'm going to tell you the difference between data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning. The difference between data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning. So this is me. I've trained over 1,000 persons in the last seminar I held. These are the number of persons that came, and it was really impactful. I'm going to show you the testimonial. You can go to Facebook, search for Bytemark Institute. You're going to see who I am there. So that's why you're supposed to listen to me when it comes to tech. By the grace of God, I am an authority there. You get, it's not by my power, but I feel that's my calling. You get the point. So remember I said there's going to be question and answer section in this training. So let's dive into the system right away. Remember, I'm not going to waste your time. Let me load the application. Let me load your doc file, what you're going to be using to learn today. So what is data analytics? What is data analysis? Data analysis. What do you understand by data analysis? Data analysis, please, if you can write down, you can jot down. Remember, if you miss this class now, I'm going to provide this pre-recorded course to everyone, but for only people that attended this class to the end, if you miss it, to get this course is $500. Remember, I promised you before the end of this training, you'll be able to analyze data. You analyze data, do the machine learning and deep learning part of it. You get the point. So what do you understand by data analysis? For example, listen up. First question, remember. I told you there's going to be question and answer section. If you come here, that's the last thing. You're going to be question, the second to last, sorry. There's going to be Q&A. Q/A means question and answer session. So that's it. Now, the first question I want to ask you is, if let's say you have a shop, you sell male clothes and female clothes. The first day, a woman comes to buy. Second day, a woman comes to buy. Third day, a woman comes to buy. Throughout the week, it was all women that were buying. Now, the question is, if you go to market, which place will you invest your money more? Is it to buy male clothes or female clothes? Answer. Will you buy more clothes? A is male clothes, B is female clothes. What will you buy? Remember, let me come again. You have a shop, and throughout this 7 days of the week, it's all women that are coming to buy. If you want to go to shop, where will you invest your money more? Is it male or female? If you say the answer is male, you're wrong. But if you say the answer is female, you're correct. You get, because you invest in where you get what returns. So your ability to make useful data analysis is the act of making useful decision making. Once you can make decision. If it's not useful, you've not done a proper analysis. So making the useful decision from a data set is data analysis. Now, what is data set? That data you kept from the first day that the customer came, the second day, the third day, the fourth day. Maybe you wrote their name, you wrote their email, their address, and you see their gender is female. So that thing you used to make your decision is your data set. While your outcome you made by investing more in female clothes is your analysis. So that is data analysis. You get the point? Are we good? Now, what is machine learning? You've seen most of you that use Netflix now. You use Netflix to watch movies. you see that Netflix keeps suggesting if you're an action movie or a romance kind of person, or you're into African, you see that, for example, Facebook, they will keep suggesting what you're interested in. If you're an action person, Netflix will keep suggesting action movies for you. If you're a feminist or you're an alpha male on Facebook, they will keep suggesting quotes that have to do with feminism to you on Facebook. I don't know if you've noticed it. If you love pastors, they will keep suggesting different pastors for you. If you love sports, you love Messi, Ronaldo, you used to argue Messi and Ronaldo who get money pass. They will keep suggesting those kind of things for you. Again, that is their system use what we call machine learning to analyze the kind of person you are. Are you seeing it? Why data analysis is going with the concept of making decision making from a data set. Machine learning, it's helping to predict the kind of person you are for you. I don't know if you understand. You get the point. So that is machine learning. Why deep learning? For example, now facial recognition, thumbprints, all those kind of things that uses advanced recognition to understand the kind of person you are. For example, your iPhone, your Face ID is machine learning, is deep learning. You get. So if I now the next question is, if you have a, let's say you have a boutique, and the first month of the boutique, the first month of opening the boutique, you sold more of male clothes. Then the second month you sold more of female clothes. If you go to the market, what will you buy? A, you buy both male clothes and female clothes. B, you buy only male clothes. C, you buy only female clothes. What's your answer? If you take A, you buy both male clothes and female clothes, you're correct. Because the first month you sold male and the second month you sold female. So that is what data analytics, using information you have for decision making. Machine learning is all about predicting the kind of person you are, while deep learning is using something like what Face ID. That is examples of what the difference between data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning. Please put it down. Now, the next difference is the tools. Please, I'm going to be asking you this question. Remember, it's the question and answer section. Even if you can't type the question, say it in your mouth. My spirit is connecting. You get. Tools for data analysis. Listen up. The tools for data analysis. The tools we use for data analysis are, number one, Excel, Python, SQL, Tableau. I'm going to be closing this. Let me say it again. Excel, Python, SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. So look at it. I'm going to be asking you a question now. Now, in your own consciousness, list all the tools we have for data analysis. I'm waiting. List it in your mind. You can say it aloud. Good. If you say Python, Excel, Power BI, and SQL, you're correct. If you did not say it, please look at it again. Now, tools for machine learning. Look at it. Look at it. Give me two tools for machine learning. If you say arrow programming, if you say Weka, you're correct. If you say any of these, you're also correct. Deep learning. Look at it very well. I'm going to be asking you two tools for deep learning. Look at it. This is deep learning part. Deep learning part. Look at all these tools here. We have TorsionFlow, PyTorch, Keras, OpenCV, CUDA. Why for machine learning? We have Scikit-learn, XGBoost, Weka, Google Cloud Auto ML, and R programming. So these are the tools we use for machine learning, all these ones here. Why for deep learning, these are the tools we use. So go through it. For deep learning, if you say TorsionFlow and PyTorch, you're correct. So those are the tools we use for this thing, data analysis, machine learning, and what deep learning. Are we good? Are we fine? Those are the tools we use for machine learning and deep learning. You get the point. Now let it not be like this thing, I'm over exaggerating. Let me show you some projects I've done with Python before. Let me open terminal. I want to show you the project I've done with Python. Remember, guys, I told you if you want to do data analysis, the tools you need to use is what, and what? Python, Excel, Power BI, and what? SQL. We also use Tableau. Those are the tools you use for what? Data analysis. Are we good? Are we fine? So I'm going to be showing you a project I did on data analysis. So if I come here now, let me go to my desktop. um Data analysis, bytemark class. Okay, where did I keep this? Data analysis, Python. Okay, superstore, no, free code cam, blah blah blah, 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 blah. Which one again? Product sales, I think is this one. Product analysis, I think. Let me reload this. I think is this one. Product. Okay, so let's see how, if most of you will be asking, and how does this, if you finish doing analysis on Python, how will you look like? This is how it's going to look like. Are you saying it? This guy is going to look like. You go down, you go down, you go down. This is how it's going to look like. At the end of this class, you'll be able to do this. It's not hard. It's not something difficult. You can do it. It's not hard. It's not something difficult. Are we good? Now, remember, I said, what is data analysis? Analyzing a data set for useful decision making. The example I gave you, if you have a shop, you sell more female clothes and male clothes. Where will you invest? All of you say female clothes. Now, good. If you've done your analysis, this is your analysis process, and you come down and you see where you're doing your decision making, look at how they presented it. We can see that the year 2025 have the best sale. Maybe you now, for example, now you've been doing business for like 10 years. You've started from 2010 to 2020. Now you will now have data sets. You gave it to a data analyst to analyze, and the data analyst now came up with this decision. You can see that the year 2025 had the best sale. What will you do as a smart business person? You look at, okay, what are the things I did in 2015 that made this business to blossom? Okay, I will adopt it now. The month of January had the best sale. You see, okay, what are the things I did in January? I'll do it. Are you seeing it? You can see that the brand Rose and Logitech sold the most. So you spend more money in this product. You can see that the category headphones sold the most. Yeah, there is money in phone accessories now as we speak. So you can see that this brand sold the latest flow. For example, now this franchise company, you see the part of your franchise that sells more. So your ability to analyze the data, plot all this graph, and make useful decision making is what data analysis. I don't know if you get the point. So that is all about data. That is what you need to know about. Nothing anybody wants to tell you again in data analysis. So remember, let's go to the tools. If you check where now, listen up. Oh, if you come to data analysis part, you come here now. Tools for data analysis. Remember, Python, SQL, Power BI, SQL. Python is here. For data analysis, so Python is here. If you come to machine learning, Python here. This one is a Python library. This one is a Python library. If you come to deep learning, almost all of them are Python. So that tells you that Python is, you can't run away from it. Python is very, 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 very crucial. So we are going to be starting with Python class. Please listen up. Oh, listen. Remember, I told you this is going to be a question and answer section. Please avoid all distraction and let's go. So if we go to, we are going to start with Python. Let me open it. This is the doc file. Let me open it here. Okay, take note. Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language. Python is very popular. In short, it's one of the most popular programming languages. Is there anybody here who have not heard of Python before? If you've not heard of Python, say hi. Shout it. I will hear it from here. You get? If you've not said hi, if you've not heard of Python, Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language. Let me write it down. Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language. You understand? Now, listen up. Python is a high level. What does high level mean? It means you think, Python thinks like you. Code, put it in your brain. Now, object-oriented programming, forget about this one. It's a branch, is a family of programming known as object-oriented programming. The important part of this definition is that it's high level. Python thinks like you, and that's all. It's a high level object-oriented programming language, and it's a programming language. Bam, that's it. Now in Python, we are going to be treating variables. We're going to be treating objects. We're going to be treating data type. We're going to be treating conditional statement. We're going to be treating loops. We're going to be treating the tools we use for Python, which are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So at the end of today's, you guys will be writing your first Python code. Let's write our first Python code. Are we good? Are we fine? Let's write our first Python code, everybody. Now, before we write our first Python code, I want to introduce you to what we call IDE. IDE. IDE simply means write down. If you're writing with your pen, fine. If you're writing with if you're writing with your phone, fine. If you want to use two phones too, fine. What is IDE? IDE means integrated development environment. This is the last definition I'm going to be taking, don't worry. IDE means integrated development environment. Simply means where you write your code. That big grammar there simply means where you write your what? You write your code. And for Python, what we are going to be using today is what? Google Colab. Google Colab. Remember I said IDE simply means integrated development environment where we write our code. So guys, let's go there. We're going to be writing our first Python code. Now for you to access your IDE, go online. If please, the best way is to use two phones. Use two phones. Type Google Colab. Colab. See the spelling here. Let me open it where. See what I want to type. Let me put it. Go to your browser, type this. Look at it. Remember, everybody is going to be carried along. Type this. Go to your browser and type this. So if I come here now, oh, this is a beautiful website we built for somebody. Remember, this is Bytemark Institute. We build softwares for people too. We build apps too. I just came across it now. Okay. Now let me open Google Colab. This side, we want to write our first Python code, so we are opening our IDE. Now, once you get to this environment, you see something like this. Whether you're on phone or on your system, you have this environment. So open it, Google Colab. Once you click on this Google Colab, it's going to take time to load because it's heavy. It's way heavy. I'm doing many stuff in my system. That's why it's way. Now, if you get to this place, this environment, please don't click on Open Colab. Click on New Notebook. Click on New Notebook. So today you're going to be, remember, you're going to be writing your first Python code today. Even if you've not written Python code before, today you're going to be writing your first Python code. You get, that's a promise. At the end of today's class, I believe you've not attended a seminar like this. This is not one of those patch seminar. This one is something authentic that is going to help you. It's not bring two people. Those two people you bring will not bring another two people. No. This is a seminar that if you take it seriously, the world now is advancing towards data analysis. So if you take it seriously, you're not going to regret it. You get the point. So you're going to be writing your first Python code today. So before people have not, this is the first time I'm doing this online section. It has been physical and all that. So before that, keep loading. Let me show you platforms where you can easily get job as a data analyst. Okay, it has opened. So we are going to be writing our first Python code. Everybody, you're going to write this. So once that's in open, remember, once you type Google Colab, click on the Colab, click on New Notebook, it will take you to this place. We are going to be writing our first code. Listen to what I want to. Let's say I want to write my name in Python. The output statement, one thing you're supposed to know is the output statement of Python. Remember, in computer is an input and output device. The output statement, let's say you want to get an answer from Python, the output statement you are going to use is what? Print. I'm going to ask you this question. The output statement of Python is what? Let me go back. Let me go here. I ask you. The output statement of Python is what? If you say print, you're correct. The output statement of Python is what? Print. So we want to write our name. And rule number 2, anytime you're writing anything like alphabets in Python, put it inside a quotation mark. See how a quotation mark looks like. Let me zoom it so you see. See how it looks like. You get, not this one in the middle. This thing. You quote somebody. It's either single or double quote. Now, for you to write your name in Python, everybody type print. Then open bracket. Listen, most of you that are hyperactive, this P must be in small case letter. P must be in small case letter. Print must be correct. Then put bracket. Don't put space in between. Then write your name. Wisdom. If I run the code now, it's going to take time to load based on it's the first time. So as it's loading, let's go back to, let me show you places you can drop your CV. This one, remember I told you I'm going to be showing you places you can drop your CV for them to call you for jobs. You get. So let me open the link for you. Places you can drop your CV for them to call you for jobs. Let me load it. Let me load it here. I want to show you places you can drop your CV for you to be job ready. There is no job, there is job. But if you know how to do data analysis, you can do machine learning, you can do deep learning, you know about web development, you know about software development, you know about UI, UX, you know about, okay, let me not use graphic design because AI is taking over graphic design. So you know about product design. Those are, if you know all these skills, they are job, digital marketing. You know how to do it. So these are job platforms that can help you get job. Number 1, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very good. This number C8 too, I've used it very well for me and my student. Indeed, it works like hell. You get, I'm going to be showing you examples of how it works. So the first thing is to get trained. Once you get this key, even if another angle, if you're traveling out, please go and learn data analysis. Please learn cybersecurity. Learn from somebody that his hand is strong, that can easily show you the way. You get the point. So that's it. If we go back to our code now, are you seeing it? So do this after this video. Go back and watch. I don't even know, but if you can practice on this video, fine. Or after this video, go back and practice it. I will drop this code for you. Print Wisdom Ogbonna. And if you get this output, you've written your first Python code. Now, look, these are different job platforms looking for data analysts. Here in Nigeria, this one is ready to pay 100 to 120k per month. Let's go. This one, and you'll be working from your home. This one, data engineer, Python developer, 400k a month. These are real-time jobs that are available. You get it, as you can see 2 days ago. This one is an international company. They are paying $26,000 to $28,000 a per year. That's a huge money. This one is $35,000 a year. You understand? So this one also is paying 200 to 275 a day. These are real job people who are looking now. Now, who is this training for? Who is this training for? If you want to make money online, you're looking for a remote job, listen up, sit tight now. This where you're supposed to sit tight. If you're looking for a remote job, you need to enroll in this course. If you want to make money online, you need to join this course. If you want to get this tech skill, you need to join this course. If you want to travel out, this is the most important. If you want to travel out, you need to get this course. Now, what will I be doing for you? What is this? Who is this not for? If you don't want to invest in your future, whether in time, in resources, in finance, you don't want to invest in your future, everything online are fake. This trade is not for you. You do not want to become your own boss. You don't want to have your own business that you do. You want to be working 9 to 5 every day. This trade is not for you. You don't want to join the trending niche now. Tech is the new oil well. Please, if you don't want to join that, then this trend is not for you. Now, this is the last trend. This is Prosper. You can go and confirm on Facebook. It was an insightful and fun-filled experience. Learned a lot and highly recommended. These are what people are saying about us, Bytemark Institute. The group D, the class is very more intense than I expected. I'm looking forward to become part of the Bytemark Institute. These are what people are saying. This is why I also say, to be honest, the teaching were nice and well detailed. My understanding, despite me being a novice, now I feel like a pro. Are you seeing it? These are what people are saying. Honest review, great teaching style with a blend of expertise and approachability. Thank you for making learning understandable, blah, blah, blah. You get honest review. Thank you, Bytemark, for the priceless opportunity. Class is fun and interactive. Are you saying it? Now this one is saying today's class was detailed, and so all these people you can go and confirm on Facebook to them. It's not just people we are telling to um just for saying sake. You can go and confirm on Facebook, chat them up, and you see for yourself. Now we are going to be seeing how to that one is for the physical class. Now what will you be getting for this class? You're going to be getting a 3 days per week intensive online data analysis training, meaning I'll be live. Not this one that is recorded. I will be live on either on Zoom or on Meet. I will be live. I will see your face. You understand? You see my own face. You see the person talking to you. We're going to be live on 3 days per week online training. You understand? Now, let me tell you, my name is Mr. Wisdom. I'm a software developer and a data analyst. I'm based in Port Harcourt. If you come to Port Harcourt, if you want to see me, just come to Choba. If you come to Choba Junction, my office is at shop 52 Clifford and George Will Plaza. You can come there. Now, that's where I stay. You understand? You can have a video call with me so you see the person talking to you and all that. You are about to get an online one-on-one data analysis coaching. It's not a physical class, it's an online class. I will be online. I will guide you. I will guide you. I will see your system. I will use screenshot. I will use a tool to see your system, and I will guide you on how to do data analysis. That is better than most physical classes. You understand? What do I need to get from you? Just your zeal to learn about this program. Is going to be a 3 months intensive data analysis training. 3 months intensive data analysis training. 3 times per week. We are going to be treating Python, Excel, Power BI, SQL. In Python, we are going to be treating NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. We are going to be adding machine learning and deep learning to it. You get the point. It's a 3 months training. Now it's going to be hands-on solution, not like this video that is pre-recorded. This one now is going to be hands-on solution. I'm going to be giving you my automated software that also helps you to do data analysis, just like I've showed you before. Hands-on solution for students and workers. You understand? You're going to be working on data sets. Hello, my name is Biso. I'm delighted to have attended the data analysis. Okay, these are different testimonials from people. If you go to my Facebook page, you see people who are coming for this training. Warning. Okay. Now, I'm about to show you something that will change your whole ideology of things. If you don't want to listen, please, at this point, you can leave the meeting. If you feel what we're saying, you don't understand, you can leave the meeting now. But if you want to get all those skills I've said, if you want to travel out, you want to get a remote job, if you want to travel out, if you want to be your own boss, you want to make money online, then I'm not telling you to come and bring 2 people. Those 2 people will bring 2 people. I'm telling you to learn a skill. Learn a skill. Skill is the best thing to do. All online business have crashed. MMM. The only thing that cannot crash is learning a skill. Learning a skill is the best, because for you to make money, you need to work hard. So the best thing is for you to learn a skill. And what skill is in vogue now? Data analysis, machine learning, deep learning. They are in vogue now. You understand? So if you feel you want to learn a skill, then sit tight and watch. Use an earpiece or stay away from noisy area. What is inside this thing I'm promising you now? An online training on data analysis. After training you, I'll prepare your CV, prepare your portfolio, give you an agency site, then show you places you drop those CVs and portfolio, and they will call you for what? Interview. I'm going to show you how to create accounts in all these places I've listed. I'm going to help you, hold you by hand, create accounts in all these places I've listed, and you submit your CV and portfolio there, which I'll create for you. You get the point. Now, you join our community, you join our tech community of over 2,000 tech persons, tech professionals, over 2,000 of them. Let me see. Okay, I have to load my WhatsApp for that. Now, access to AI automated agency. I'm going to give you access to this AI software I told you. That you need to just pick your data set, load it in, it will analyze it for you and give you a result. I've shown you how it works now. So now you're going to have a relationship with me, one-on-one relationship with me, meaning you can call me. I'll drop my phone number for you. You can call me if you have any issue, and I will attend to you. Now, over everything I'm going to be giving you app 10. Let's say you want to start your own tech company, I'm going to be giving you 10 app bonuses to increase your business growth. I'm going to be showing you this app now. I'll give you an app like Bolt, an app like Uber, an app like Jumia. What does this mean? Meaning you can start your own Bolt company, you can start your own Jumia company from Nigeria here. Now, question and answer: is this class online or physical? It is an online class. It's an online class which will be holding on Zoom or Meet online. Forget about all those ideology. Hey, I need to understand online class. You will see how it is being done. Meaning, I will share my screen and I will guide you one-on-one. Personally, you will see it. You understand? I'll guide you one-on-one. Personally, I will build my system. I have a software that can use to see how your system, see how you type, see everything. If you don't know how to operate the computer, I'm going to see it. If you don't know how to operate the computer, just hit me up. I will organize a team for you. All these things I'm saying, your money is if I want to charge you for it, it's millions. You understand? So I will organize a team to guide you on how to use a computer. You're going to see it online is working. You get the point. So it's an online training, not a physical class. But if you're in Port Harcourt, you can come to the office for a physical to see me physically. What days are the classes? It's usually 3 times a week. Saturdays, I don't know, but it's usually 3 times a week. Will be picked by the class. Any day since it's online, everybody can be carried along. Do I need a tech experience? No, you don't need a tech experience to do this one. Even if you don't know how to operate a computer, this training is for you. Do I need a laptop? No. If you have a laptop, it's fine, but you can also do data analysis with phone. For example, now let me show you something. Google Doc, Google Sheet. You can do data analysis with phone, but laptop is preferred. If you have a laptop, it's cool. But if you don't have a laptop, not to worry, you can do your analysis with phone. You get the point. So why is loading? Do I need a test? Will I be certified? Yes, you'll be certified. Can I pay and come later? If you want to pay money and come later, maybe you don't have chance. Now another thing is, okay, before, where is it? Where was it? Here is the thing I'm trying to open. Okay, it's loading. So you can do data analysis with your phone. So I'm going to show you how Excel interface is. How Excel interface is. You get the point. So what again? You can go to our Facebook page to confirm total of what you're going to be getting. Total of what you're going to be getting. I'm going to show you everything you will be getting for this training. Everything. So this is an Excel dashboard. You will be learning how to do this from scratch. You understand? You'll be learning how to do Python analysis on Python. You will learn how to do analysis on Power BI. Well, see how beautiful this dashboard is. You learn how to do this kind of dashboard with Excel. You understand? You also learn how to do this analysis with Python. You will learn all these things. You also learn Power BI and SQL. You get the point. So not to worry, you are safe. Now what again? Let me give you a total of what you're going to be getting. Total of what you're going to be getting for this class. Total of what you're going to be getting for this training. Please take note, this is an online class. If any of these things I've said, you did not get it, please come for a refund. Now, what I'm going to be doing I'm going to be creating a CV for you. A CV for you. Let me show you how a CV should look like. Google Doc. Let me show you how a CV should look like. I'm going to be creating a CV for you. I'm going to be creating a portfolio for you. I'm going to be giving you an agency site. It should load. So I'm going to be creating your CV. I'm going to be creating your portfolio. I'm going to be creating your agency site. So total of what you're going to be getting, I'm going to be giving you a white label bulk SMS sender. After this call, now check your mail. Check your mail. You will see my emails. I'm going to be giving you a software that helps you send SMS, bulk SMS. Help you send SMS. It can be in your house and send SMS to millions of people with one click. The cost of developing this software is $997 to develop this software, almost $1,000 to develop this software. To pay developers or developer, I'm going to be giving you a white label, meaning you can sell it to people. a business, somebody can sell it to people and they can use it to their for their what, their business. You understand? That is the meaning of what, white label. Ahem. So this one I've loaded. Now, what is it called? What was its first promise I gave? Agency site. Look at it. This agency site. The cost of developing this site is $200. So I'll be giving you this kind of site. It's a data analysis site. Data analysis. You can if you want to start your own data analysis company, you can just go to write to company, show them this your website, the site I'm going to be giving you that you've been doing data analysis, and they will hire you. You understand? I'm going to be giving this data and this software for free. The cost of this software is $200. You're getting it. You get the point. So let me see what again. Remember this software that helps send bulk SMS. I'll give you for free. Now this SMS social media marketing tool. This tool will help you make automated posts on your social media accounts and also reply, because now social media is paying, TikTok is paying, Instagram is paying. So this tool will help you. If you have a tool that help make posts on social media, it's a plus for you. Cost of developing this software too is $997. If you want to have something like a website builder now like WordPress, you get it too. You understand? This one helps you do that. You understand? Build to link, should shortening your link. I will give you something like that. A multi-vendor e-commerce platform, something like Jumia. If you want to have a company like Jumia, Konga, blah blah blah, this I will give you the software that helps you do that. If you want to have something like your own chat GPT, AI writing assistant, I'll give you this software. Email sending. Remember, I told you after this call, check your email. You see my email. This software I'm using to send that email. QRL generator. If you want, like people like Market Square now, QR code generator. That's what they use for Market Square. You can sell it to real estate companies. I'll also show you developers to customize it for you, so it's not an issue. Secure payment like PayPal, this thing, Paystack, Money Point. I'll give you all those software, white label. I mean, you can customize it to yourself. You look at it now, white label license. To if you want to have something like Udemy, learning management system, I'll give you. So cost of everything I'm giving you, is what $13,469. $13,469. Let me see if that CV I've loaded. Let me see it. Remember, I'm going to be creating your CV and portfolio. So cost of everything I'm giving you is $13,469. But if you want to get all this, you're not going to. Okay, the last trading I did, I sold it for 89,000. But you're not going to be paying this. You're going to be paying 9,900 naira. 9,900 naira. If you want to get all these things, remember everything I said. You're going to be getting a complete data analysis training, machine learning training, deep learning training, online class. You're going to be training for let me come again. Let me look for it. I'm going to be pressing your CV, create your portfolio, give you an agency site like the one I showed you, access to our tech community, a personal relationship with me, AI automated agency, this software that helps do data analysis. All this stuff, only this software that helps do data analysis is millions. You understand? This software I'm going to be giving you, just like the one I show you. Let me show you again. So I need to upload the data set now. If I upload the data set that I want to analyze, let me upload the data set I want to analyze. Travel. If I upload it, if I click analysis, it's taking time. It's understanding the data, it's analyzing it. Boom, the data is out. It has done the analysis, plotted the graphs. All these graphs that Python was doing. Look at it, all these graphs that Python was taking time to do. The software has done it for you. All these graphs. So I'm going to give you access to this software you can use for your data analysis. Now, after which, let me go again. After which, we'll give you this software. You have a relationship, join our tech community. I'll give you all those software bonuses we have. Now, this price I'm giving you, Where is it, sir? I'm trying to locate it. How much did I give you, guys? 90. Okay, 9,000. Can't locate it again. This price I'm giving you, 9,000, is, and now the last thing I'm going to be showing you is the last stuff. Let me add it. You can, okay, look at it. You see where I added it. You can add, oh, they just brought light. The last bonus is you can bring your partner along. Let me add it here. Bring your partner. Meaning for this 9,005, you can bring 9,000. Let me 9,005. Okay, you can bring your partner. You can bring your partner. Meaning if you have a boyfriend, if you have a girlfriend, you have a spouse, you have a sponsor, that both of you, or a sibling that I want you guys, both of you to hold hands together and join this training. You understand? You want to hold him by hand so that both of you want, you know, the person is smart like you. No iron sharpened iron. You want the person to join. You're paying 9,500, and you have a slot to bring the person. So both of you can hold hands together and hit the course. You understand? So if you have that kind of person, once you pay, you also get access to bring that person for free. That person is not paying. Can I pay and come later? Yes, but yeah, if you can pay now and come later, it's fine. But I'll suggest you start immediately. So that's it. That's it. If you want to make payment, click on the link below. Click on the link below this video. After this seminar, you see a link around this video. Click to enter. After this presentation, remember, why am I doing this? Why am I doing it? Remember, this is the first time I'm doing an online class. This is the first time I'm doing an online training. Why do I need to help you? Let me tell you the secrets now. If I finish training you, you give me a testimonial, just like the way other people gave me. If you go to YouTube now, check testimonials, you see what people are saying. You understand? After this page, the next page, you see testimonial. So after training you for this amount, 9,900 naira, after making this payment, 9,009 to this account, click for you to make payment. Click on the link. After making payment to this account, you give me testimonial. After now, the price is going back to 89,000. It was 89 before, so after now it's going back to 89,000. So for you to make payment immediately, just click around this video to continue with the training. See you. If you have any question, um see you. Just hit me up. Bye bye. You can get my number. I'll drop my number. This is my number. This is my number here. 09032828290. But if you want to make payment, click. Oh, okay. Don't call me. Don't call me. If you want to make payment, just click on the, okay, let me make it up. You can call me. You can call me. You can WhatsApp me. But after now, this price goes to why did I disclose my number? We're getting a lot of calls now. But don't call me. After, you can call me after you've made payment. Good. Call me after you've made payment. Let me put it like that. Don't call me and start, because some person so now, are you sure it's legit? Are you sure this one? It's just 9,009. You understand? My office is at Choba Port Harcourt. So for you to make payment, click on the link around this video to make your payment. You can, any other question, you can hit me up on WhatsApp. Remember, I'm just taking this training is, if you join this training now, you have a live session with me. It's going to be a live one-on-one training. A live one-on-one training. But if you join later, you're going to be watching a pre-recorded video. You understand? So I will advise you to join now, so you have a one-on-one session with me. So see you there. Bye bye. Click on the link around this video to join the training. Bye bye.